Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Thanks for joining me for today's cryptocurrency portfolio update. So I've been updating the cryptocurrency portfolio now for just over a year, and I started to document it over a year ago. So thanks for joining me. Make sure you stay to the end, because after the documentation, I always talk about the markets or something of importance. So make sure you stay to the end. Also important to understand, it's not a financial advice video, so there's no financial advice here. I'm not a financial planner. Do your own due diligence, your own research, and also understand that investing can be risky, so don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. With that said, I'm going to share my screen. Go straight into the update. So what I want to do here, I've updated it for 2 days, is today's date is 21st. The time is around 4:23 in the afternoon, and this is the portfolio I'm going to be been tracking. So this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin, selection of all altcoins. This is the total at the top. This is all in US dollars. As you can see, this is British pounds, and this is the percentage split. So the figure I want now is this one here. This comes in updates from a live feed, by the way. That's where these figures come from. What I want here is 114,749.60. 114,769.60. 749.60. Right, and then the next figure I want is the top one. 155,892. 155,892.70. 155,892.7. Let's see if I got that right. 155,892.70. Okay, that's great. So let's bring this down here. It's gone up by 3K. Up a little bit. Okay, so everything will stay green for now. So we've got the altcoins have gone up by 3,145 over the last 2 days, and Bitcoin's gone up by 144 over the last 2 days, and the total portfolio has gone up by 3,289 over the last 2 days. So that's okay. It's still, you know, there's a long-term play, so it really doesn't matter. Let's look at the market. The market currently is actually look at this part of the market. The market here is 1.8 trillion. Bitcoin has got a 41% dominance. Ethereum an 18% dominance, so pretty reasonable. Bitcoin, Ethereum's dominance has come down a little bit. It was 19%, but gone down a little bit. The fear factor in the market is this fear in the market, still more on the fear side, not on the greed side yet. So it's around 30, which is still suggesting that there's still quite a bit of fear in the market. And this will update in 7 hours, 7.5 hours. So look here. I'm just going to look at 2 things here. Interesting, like I said, the third death cross that could occur, if it is going to occur, will it be, you know, in May, as if things continue to go in the way they're going in May. But interesting thing is that this price action, this is on the 3-day chart, by the way. So we've had the death cross on the 1-day chart. We've had the death cross on the 2-day chart. Let's go to 1 day. 1-day chart was in death cross in January the 14th. Then on the 2-day chart, the death cross was on the 16th of February 2022, and now we are looking at a possible third death cross in the 19th of May 2022, so, or thereabouts. But the interesting thing is that the price action is using this 200-day moving average on the 3-day as support. It's really bouncing off it and using it as support. So will it continue to use it as support? It might undo the death cross if it continues. It might, or delay it. But it's using it as support. So if it really bounces up off it, then we won't get that death cross. So we'll have to watch and see. Make sure you stay tuned to our videos. I'm looking at this indicator, the ADI. We've been in a very downtrend for a while. We had a little bit of an uptrend. It wasn't much of an uptrend, but a little bit of an uptrend over the last few days. And it looks like these lines are meeting again, the red coming up to the green. So it could look like if the red goes on top, they start to swap positions. It looks like we may go back into another downtrend. So the night is, the uptrend is nice. Seeing Bitcoin up from 38,000 all the way to 41,000. But it looks like that could be coming to an end if this red line here crosses over and goes on top, becomes the dominant line, and the green line goes below, becomes the submissive line. So and this line here showed that this brief period of dominance was very weak. It was short-lived. That's why it was short-lived, because this is very weak. It was pointing downwards and not upwards. But had it been like this, then we would have had a strong uptrend. This uptrend would have been stronger, but the uptrend was nice to have, short-lived and very weak. So we shall watch and see if they cross over or not, like they're going to, like this kind of crossover. Shall I say this kind of crossover here? This is what we're seeing right now. And then, because once upon a time, this was like this. You see how the green and the red come together, crossover, and then we got the red on top, the green at the bottom. So that signals a downward trend. So now we've got the same thing again. We've got the meeting again. The next couple of days they could cross over, and then we get a downtrend back into the 30s. So anyway, we'll watch and see. But make sure you visit our website at www.IamWealthyandRich.com. We're talking about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down and click on put in the short form here. Get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy free. And watch the videos and apply what you learn. So with that, I'm going to end the call. Thanks very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And if you haven't hit the notification button, do that so you can be notified of new videos. So great sharing with you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.